Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about continuous and discontinuous. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We have a equal to the negative 8. So if we look carefully about the value negative number 8 in here, we can see that we have the red dot, so that's the value of negative 8, and that should be about negative number 3, so we put in here. Next we have the limit as approach to a in the negative side, that should be from here. They go from the negative, and as you can see that's about negative number 6. Similar for the next one, as approach to a from the positive side, so they go from this way. So they touch the location at a equal to negative number 8. So you see that's about still number negative number 6. And the last one, as approach to a, if we check that from the left and from the right, they are still the negative number 6, so we will about negative number 6. But we have the white dot in here, we call this one is about removable. So because that's about removable, so we say that's discontinuous. So I just write this in here. Let's say discontinuous. Next, a equal to negative number 2. Here, that's about negative number 2. And we have the red dot. We have the red dot in here for negative number 2. So let's see the value of f of negative number 2, and let's see about number 3. We put number 3 in here. So as approach to a from the negative side, so they will go this way. So when they go from the negative, they approach to number 3, and let's see the value number 3 in here. As approach to a from the positive side, so here is about the positive side, and they go up. If they go up and touch on the sky just like this, that's about positive infinity. So that's about positive infinity in here. And in this situation, we can say undefined. So it means we don't analyze this one because the value limit from the left and on from the left or from on the right, they don't have the same value. So we need to write undefined, and we say this is about discontinuous. Next, we have a is equal to number 6, and here is about number 6. The value f of a is about the red dot in here, and that should be about number 5. Next, as approach to a from the negative side, that is from here, and they go from the negative, so they approach to the value of number 2. From positive side, they go this way. If they go this way, we go about number 5. And we still write undefined. because the limit from the negative side and from the positive side, they don't have the same value, so we need to write undefined. And in the graph, as you can see that there are true in here, so it means they are discontinuous. And the last one, that's about a equal to number 10. At the value of number 10, we got about 0, and from the negative side they go this way and they touch to the 0 in here, and from the positive side they go this way and they go about 0, and we have the same value in here, 0 and 0, so the limit it should be about 0 in here. As you can see that we have the red dot, it means they continuous in here, so we write continuous. That's the end. Thank you for watching.